superstar. I'm a superstar.
Julie, what's the secret behind your youthful look?
Okay, one thing I highly recommend to everybody, and I know even earlier I thought, यार what is this? योगा में एक कुछ ऐसा कुछ अजीब से पोज बनाते हैं, उसी में रह जाते, कुछ होता क्या है? But once I started doing it, and now I realize I wouldn't want to live without it, is yoga, and I feel everybody just start doing yoga. And it's not for old people. The earlier you begin, you become so much stronger in yourself, you become calm, and I think that just gives you a certain strength, and you deal with everything so much more beautifully. So if you can, just embrace it. It may be little difficult in the beginning and you'll say, what are these odd postures? But no, just stay with it. It'll take you through life.
Who are your favorites from the younger lot?
I know, at the risk of sounding like 100 years old, I'll tell you, I've seen all of these people when they were 12 years old, 13 years old, like that. I have seen Sonam when she came along with Anil ji for our Divana Mastana shoot in Switzerland. So she's been just a teenager in front of me, like getting to be a teenager or something. Meg, what? Mr. and Mrs. Khiladi. We did this film. No. Way back. Swear, one of my earliest films. I worked with David G. That was his first film maybe as a director. And I've seen, say, Rohit, who became a director, and then Varun, when they were this high. They were all like, grown up. I saw Ranbir at my shooting of Bol Radha Bol. Again, some 12-year-old something in Ooty, when we were doing an outdoor over there, we were doing the songs of Bol Radha Bol over there. And in the mornings, out on the lawns, they used to be hanging out, him and Ridhima. And I still remember a very sweet joke that he told me then. Because I thought it was very funny, so it stayed with me. I had no idea he'd become such a big movie star. He said, so what did the cannibal eat after he had his teeth done? The dentist. So I was like so amused with this one. You found it really funny. Now you will remember this joke for a long time. Yeah. So things like this. So now today, if anybody says name a favorite, I'm like, I really don't want to name a favorite. I've seen them all, and I wish them all the best.
I wanted to ask, how difficult is it for you to get under the skin of such complex characters since you're more associated with the costume role?
It was, like you said, it was difficult. It was unimaginable for me when they offered me Gulab Gang. I really thought they'd all lost their marbles. They came and narrated the script to me at home, and by the end, I was like, I'm going to do this role. You've come to me. I don't know if you've seen Gulab Gang, but it's totally a negative character. There's no even reason for why she's.
Job there.
Huh?
You did a great job.
It's one of my best roles I've ever done. But when I first heard it, there was no way I was accepting it. Because I was like, in all my life that people have seen me, they've never seen me so dark. Why they laugh at me or something? They're not going to believe me if I'm going to be saying these lines. I wanted to say, watchman, inko bahar nikalo, that kind of thing. But then they came back, and then I thought about it, and then I thought it would be actually quite exciting. Because for a number of reasons. That, okay, one time Madhuri and I will share screen space, but we will not be compared. Because I would be doing something so different. Another thing, I didn't think this film could be made without me. Because no other person, whoever you took with Madhuri, would make that exciting combination. Just imagine her with any other actress. it just doesn't have the fizz. So I said, bye. Then my terms and conditions became bigger and bigger with the producers. And and then I really liked the way the director was saying the lines, like he was reading out the scenes to me, and what I've done on screen is actually just him. I said, if I do it, I just want to do what you're doing, and I just kept trying to get that into me and say it the way he was saying it, and I loved that film. I'm a little disappointed that it didn't do as well as I felt it should have, because I thought it was अपनी तारीफ कर दो, I was too good.
I'm a superstar. I'm a superstar.